In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix Facebook account suspended for 180 days. So if your Facebook account is suspended for 180 days, it is likely due to a violation of Facebook's community standards or terms of service, such as posting inappropriate content, using a fake name, or suspicious activity. So you have 180 days to appeal the suspension, after which the account may be permanently disabled. So the first thing you want to do in order to attempt to fix it is understand why you were suspended in the first place. So whenever you try to log in, you'll typically see a message like "we suspended your account" or "we disabled your account." And you want to check the notification or your email for details of the violation. And it will typically tell you a more specific reason like community standards, multiple accounts, or linked Instagram issues. So if no reason is provided, it could be due to automated detection of suspicious activity, such as a fake name or linked account violation. So the first thing you want to do is you want to appeal the suspension. So what you want to do is you want to go ahead and just open up any web browser. So for me personally, I'm going to be using Google, but if you're on an iOS device, you could also use Safari. It will also work as well. But you just want to go ahead and look up Facebook on your web browser. So go ahead and type in facebook.com and you need to go ahead and log in. Now, whenever you log in, you will most likely see a prompt to appeal the suspension within 180 days, so you need to follow the on-screen instructions to submit an appeal. You may need to verify your phone number with a code sent via SMS. You may need to upload a selfie or government-issued ID. And from there, you want to provide additional details explaining why you believe the suspension was a mistake, and you want to explain how you never broke the Facebook terms and conditions. So it's really important that you do that. And you want to go ahead and submit the appeal and wait for a response. And the response could take up to a couple days to even a couple weeks. And you want to go ahead and contact Facebook support in order to get statuses on your appeal. So just go ahead and look up Facebook and then support just like so. And you can go ahead and talk to them from there. Now, I'm going to give you guys some tips for your appeal. You want to make sure that you're honest and concise. You want to be as respectful as possible, and you also don't want to use like informal language. You basically want to submit like an actual well-written appeal and stuff like that, and try to avoid using AI because a lot of the times it could just instantly tell that you use AI in order to write the appeal. So just keep that in mind. But if you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next tutorial.